Want to change your ringtone on Android, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Android's ringtone, text tone, and other notification sounds. Now let's get started. To change your ringtone on Android, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Sounds and Vibration. Here you can choose the sound that will play when you receive different types of notifications, including your ringtone, notification sounds, and more. Choose the type of sound you want to change. Then scroll through the options to see which sound you want to use. You can tap a sound name to hear a preview of it. When you find one you like, tap it to select it. You'll see the dot filled in next to the name of the sound you've selected. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner to go back to the menu and choose sounds for other notification types. That's all it takes to change your ringtone on Android. Want to use a song as your ringtone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.